Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use night sight on your Google Pixel 11. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna shoot the table scene with, and then we're gonna shoot it without the night light. So, maybe we're just gonna do it reversed. First, let's just unlock the phone. We're gonna open up our camera, and once we open up the camera, we want to switch to night sight at the bottom. Now move back to improve focus. I'm just gonna take a picture of this flower right here. I am in the night side. As you guys can see, that's how it turned out, pretty bright. But what are we gonna do is I'm just gonna turn the light off. Now you could have seen the difference, and of course I'm gonna dim the light here, so it'll be a bit of a bad vibe for a second, excuse me. But as you guys can see, it's really dark. I can even make it darker so that we can definitely notice the difference. And you can only see the phone, and as you guys can see, even though it's that dark, that's how it all turned out. So as you guys can see, this is the picture with the night side. It was when it was pretty dark. This is with the with the night side, but it was all turned on, so you can see the difference. There is one. Now let's take one without the night side when it's dim like that. And as you guys can see, it's also not that bad. I mean, it's definitely worse than the night side, but still looks pretty okay. And that's how you guys can use the night sight here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.